Good day, everyone. May I request all of you to please stand and let's start our class with a prayer. Miss Erica, will you please lead our prayer? Thank you, ma'am. Um, Good morning, everyone. I'm Marilla Lipe, your teacher for today. Um, Class, say present when I call your name. Um, Mr. Romuel Adriano, Miss April Jane Banaag. Wow, it's nice to know na walang absent sa inyo for today. Mukhang interested kayo sa subject natin. Um, so, let's have a recap about our topic last meeting. So, who among you still remember our last topic? Yes, it's all about the hazard and risk identification and control. So, let's have a short game. I have a question. So, ito, magtaas na lang po ng kami ang gusto magsagot. So, what are the 5 hazards? Yes, thank you. Second question is, why we need to know the hazard? Yes, Miss Erica? Very good. Next question. In our previous topic, give at least 2 types of electric hazard can cause of accidents. Yes. For the last question, who wants to answer? Okay, Ms. Jabulisa. For the next question is, what are the possible benefits of knowing the hazard and risk control? Thank you, Miss. Okay. So, let's have a short review about our last topic. So, who among you still remember our last topic? Yes, it's all about hazard and risk identification and control. What did you remember about the topic? Yes, it's about hazard that we need to know to avoid any risk that can possible cause of accidents. So let's have a game. It's called Jumbled Words. I will show you a word, then you will guess and say the correct word. So first is this one. Nag-guess nyo ba kung ano to? Yes, it's head. The second one is, yes, it's arm. Then the third one is Na-guess nyo na ba? Yes, it's cabinet. Then, the last one is... Ay, hindi. May isa pa pala. Ito. Ano to? Yes, it's bed plate. Then, the last is... Yes, it's legs. So, class, do you have any idea what our topic for today is? Yes, it's all about jumbled, sorry, it's all about parts of sewing machine. So, before we start, let me read our objectives. So, for our objectives, first is familiarize the parts of sewing machine. Second one is appreciate the significance of use of parts of sewing machine. And the third last is apply the importance of knowing the uses of parts of sewing machine. So, let's begin to our lesson for today. So, first is the sewing machine parts should be studied well in order to maximize their use. To be able to operate the sewing machine, you must be able to identify the functions of each of the parts. So, sa tingin nyo, bakit? Yes, para malaman natin kung paano nga ba gamitin yung bawat parts ng sewing machine. So, the next is so we have three important parts of sewing machine, and it's cabinet, head, and stand. So first is cabinet. It says the cabinet holds one or more drawers, an extension, lip, and a center drawer. These are used for storing and keeping those important sewing materials rather, especially those that do not fit inside the sewing box. So, sa cabinet is ito yung nag-hold ng isa or marami na drawer na pwede nating magamit sa pag-store or keep ng sewing materials. So, next is head. It says head is the complete sewing machine without a cabinet or stand. So yes, it's head part that contain si head siya yung complete na sewing machine. Wala siyang cabinet or any stand. Third one is arm. So, yes, it's head part that contain the mechanism of sewing machine for operating the needle. Hindi ko na po babasahin para madali na lang yung discuss natin. Next is bed plate. Oops, sorry. Sorry, my bad. Next is bed plate. Bed plate, it is the flat portion of the machine where the head of sewing machine is attached. Yes po. Ang bed plate is ito. Siya yung pinagpapatungan nitong sewing machine head. Gets nyo? Ito yung bed plate. Ito. Next is spool pin. It is part of the head machine that holds the thread. So, ito siya yung nasa taas. Ito. Hindi ba kita? Ayan. Ito yung bilog. Yan yun. Siya yung nag-hold dun sa thread or sinulid. Next is thread guide. It is the guide that helps to keep threads in position from spool to the needle. So, next is thread take-up lever. It pulls the thread from spool to feed it through the machine and lifts the thread back out of the cloth after a stitch has been made. Next is pressure bar. It says pressure bar lifter moves the pressure foot. So, it is the bar that presses the pressure bar of the surface of the sewing plate. Next is tension. So, it controls the amount of pressure that applied to the thread for an evenly full feed to the machine needle, causing evenly formed stitch. Foot. Si pressure foot, it keeps the fabric flat so it doesn't fall with the needle. Next is needle. So, we have two types of needle. It's straight and curved. We have two types of needle. It's straight and curved. So, si straight, ginagamit siya commonly sa mga wide range of sewing machine. It can make black stitch and chain stitch. Sa curve naman, ginagamit to sa mga blind sewing. Next is bobbin winder. Bobbin winder controls the bobbin while winding thread. So yes, it is the controlling the bobbin while the thread is spinning. Do you understand, class? Okay. Next is stitch regulator. Si stitch regulator, siya yung nagdidetect kung gaano kabilis yung fabric sa paggalaw ng presser foot, and pwede natin to i-adjust yung bilis niya. Next is balance wheel. Sa balance wheel, it rotates the upper drive shaft for machine operation, which causes the needle and hook to move in a manner that produces stitch. Next one is the belt. It connects the balance wheel to drive the wheel, and aside from that, it can use as source of motion. Next is spool motion screw. Ito naman, it is tightened to allow the needle move when sewing. Next is feed dog. It is responsible for feeding the fabric through the machine while the needle is stitching. That's it. Did you understand, class? Very good. The next one is throat plate. Si throat plate, it guides for seam allowances and for sewing straight lines. So, sabi dito, ito yung nagga-guide sa pag-allowance ng damit para maging straight yung tahi. Next one is slide plate. So, it is the plate that covers the shuttle and bobbin case. Next is shuttle. It is the small spool prepared by winding thread on it, and it holds the thread that forms the stitches on the underside of the fabric. So the next one is si bobbin. Bobbin is a small spool prepared by winding thread on it, and it holds the thread that forms the stitches on the underside of the fabric. Bobbin case. Ito yung nag-hold sa bobbin. Sorry class, if medyo malabo. So, ayan. Iusin lang natin. Oops. So, the next one is band wheel. It is helping guide the balance wheel through the bolt connection. So, siya yung nagko-connect dun sa sa balance wheel patungo dun sa may belt connection ng sewing machine. So next is band wheel rank. It control the movement of the band wheel. So siya yung nagko-control sa movement ng band wheel. So next is Pitman rod. This rod connects the thread is rest the drive wheel resolves. Next one is belt guide. So it guide the belt and also preventing the belt from slipping off of the wheel about which it passes when moving to drive the sewing machine. So next is belt shifter. So belt shifter, it is used to protect the dress from the dress and causing of accidents. So, ito yung nagpo-protect sa para hindi malaglag yung dress at sumabit sa mismong gulong ng sewing. So, next is treadle. Sabi dito, treadle is where the feet are stationed to drive the band wheel through the Pitman rod. So, si treadle, it is the power of machines come from the rhythm of your feet, which allows you to sew as slowly and precisely as possible. So, ito na yung nagpapagana talaga sa mismong sewing machine. Siya na yung parang nagiging power or sa kanya lang gagaling kung yung pag-ikot ng sewing machine para gumana. For the last is legs. The legs is supporting the cabinet of the machine. So, it's the end of our lesson for today. So, do you have any question, clarifications? Okay, none. So, ako ang may tanong sa inyo. So, first is, what are the 3 important parts of sewing machine? Yes, Miss Ira? Yes, thank you. For the second one is, why we need to study the part of sewing machine? Yes, Miss Cherry? Okay, thank you. For the last question, which part of the sewing machine is supporting the cabinet of the sewing machine? Who wants to answer? Yes, Miss Ira. Okay, thank you. So, let's proceed to your activity. So, class, let's proceed to your activity. The direction of your activity. For your activity class, group yourself into 3 members in one whole sheet of paper. In your own word, what is part of the sewing machine? So, of course, meron tayong dyan, rubrics. Are you done, class? Okay, let's proceed to your quiz. let me know if you're done class ha, para malipat natin sa next slide. Next na. Okay, are you done class? Pass your paper forward. And of course, you have assignment. So for your assignment, research about the principles of design, then write it in your own understanding in a one whole sheet of paper. And it will be passed on our next meeting. And that's all for today, class. Thank you for your all cooperation.